Alright, we're gonna do our first unbox video. Today we're gonna unbox this 8-amp quarter cable 15-inch drill press for the shop. Little shop tool we got on sale. Had it sitting around so far. I've not really been setting up any tool space, but that's what we're working on now, is cleaning out the garage for tool space. So we're gonna go ahead and let Garrett tackle this big thing. This thing's pretty heavy. Doesn't actually say a weight, but I'm venturing to guess probably 100 pounds or so. So I'm going to be the one to set it on the ground for him and let him do the unbox. New razor blade. Push it down and away from you, and you won't touch yourself.
I haven't cut myself yet.
But you don't want to hurt. I need that again. Base. Hey, look.
Probably instructions how to build it.
Might be. Gotta cut it out too. They put it in there, they just don't want you to read it.
Typical man.
Let's hold this up. It's the adjustment pad. Definitely heavy with cast iron. Adjusters, some stops.
This is part of the wheel.
That's the feet.
Front wheel.
Yay, styrofoam.
Always in the
There was a box in there, babe.
Huh?
There's a box in the styrofoam.
Little box we would have been looking for. Alright. The base. That's the part, the whole ram. Hold it right up and down on. The heaviest part, this is the motor and the belt. Ooh, it's got a light. All right.
Oh, so you can cut stuff in like the middle of the night.
Fancy.
Anything else?
Yeah, I think that's it. Put this now we got a big huge box to take to the trash. Alright. Well, next time you guys see this thing, I'll snap my fingers and it'll be all together. Well, it might take a little longer than that, but next time you see it, it'll be together. See you later.